Oh, it's videoing.
It's like new, dude. These are only like 2-year-old.
Here's the living room. Let me back up a second. This is when you first walk in.
Hey, you can do brush silver.
Brushed.
Yeah, 'cause it's all
Washer and
in here,
dryer.
too.
Oh yeah, that's what I thought, but I wasn't positive.
Yeah, you got red.
This is going outside. They're over here talking about decorations. Pool area. Go back in. Sorry, I'm kind of walking fast.
Oh, get the bathroom.
Bedroom. Turn the lights on. Hold on a second. Here's the bathroom area. Shower. Toilet. Closet. And it has a little round thing that goes that way down there. So that's my new apartment. It's beautiful. And the end. That's the exit doors. Bye.